I'm Chris, and this is Single Dad Homestead, brought to you from the beautiful Appalachian Mountains in northeast Tennessee. We are on the porch again, guys, and I went to do a video, forgot to hit record. So we are working on storage for the new truck and the elk camper in the back. So we missed the first part of it. So here's the cabinet that I'm making. That'll slide under the bed, and then we're going to use some of these Rubbermaid totes and coolers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down here. I'm going to put these dividers in. This is all scrap wood that we had left over from the bed, so there's no more cost. Still using the screws and stuff that we had. So I'm going to put these shelves in here, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. And I'll go ahead and slide it in the truck, and you guys can see that part. And then we'll go ahead and let's walk over here. We bought some new coolers to take with us. So we bought some 120 quart coolers, and we'll use these actually. Look at these right here. So we'll use these actually as storage for the way out, and then we'll use one for food. One my big Arctic cooler, we'll use it for food. Use these for storage, and one just to hold ice in, so we don't open it and destroy our ice, because your ice will last, even in these kind of coolers, will last 8 to 10 days if you don't open it. If you freeze blocks of ice in 2-gallon 2-liter jugs or juice jugs or something like that, milk jugs, they will last for 8 to 10 days with very little melt if you guys do that. So we're going to end up using those as storage too for the trip out, and then on the way back, hey, we'll throw it in the truck any way we can, especially if we've got an animal down. So let me get over here. We will finish up doing this drawer. We'll get it put in and show you how that's going to work. All right, guys, we'll be back in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys follow along with us as we do this. Just kind of won't be talking much, just be working. Put the wrong one in there. light's kind of a little crazy, guys. Sorry about that. We'll say like that. And 7/8. All right, guys, that is her. She is done. So these, they just slide out. A little snug. Let me turn you around. So they just slide out, pick up and slide out. And then I made 3 compartments. And then I took and put the little handle on it. So let's go down here and put it in the truck and see if it works. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we got it in there. Pretty good fit. made it where it would slide back about 8 inches because I have something else that's going in the floor right there. So she pulls out pretty easy. Let me set you up here and see. Yeah. So, ooh. I think this carpet's gonna have to be rolled up and just used when I am in camp. So let's see. So there she is, all unrolled. I think it's gonna work, and then we'll have the coolers, so it won't be that bad. There we go. She slid all the way in. I'll make me a little latch, and I think we'll be good to go. So let me know what you think about this, guys. This is all quick and easy. We're still at the same exact dollar amount. At about, I said $70 to $80 in the last video. I think it's more closer to that 60. So, you know, we use scrap wood, scrap piece of webbing for the handle. Same screws that we had. So, you know, I think we're sitting pretty good. That'll hold kitchen gear and things that need to stay in the truck long term. So, quick, easy, not much to it. I did have to use the saw this time just to cut those pieces of wood. But like I said, the bottom, the two sides in the front were all the scraps left from the bed frame. And then the back piece and the pieces that separate the compartments inside were scrap wood that I had around the house. So if you had to buy that scrap wood, other than what was left from the bed, $6. So not bad at all. As always, God bless. Live with what God gives you, and we're out of here.